In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify Metafields. Metafields let you store extra structured details about your products and then display them cleanly on your storefront. Think of them as custom labels or data points you control, perfect for things like fabric, care instructions, or size notes. Start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Head to products and open the product you want to edit. This is where you begin customizing product-specific data. So pick an item that will clearly benefit from an extra detail you plan to show to shoppers. On the product page, scroll toward the bottom until you see the Metafield section. Click View All. This opens the Metafield definitions area where you can create custom fields that are consistent and reusable across products, which helps keep your catalog organized. Click Add Definition to create a new one. Give it a clear name like fabric material so anyone managing your store understands its purpose at a glance. For the content type, choose single line text, which is ideal for short, predictable descriptions. If you want to keep entries tidy, set character limits, for example, a minimum of 7 and a maximum of 50 characters, so the data stays concise on your product page. Click Save. Now your custom metafield is created and ready to accept values. Go back to the product page, scroll to the Metafield section, and find your new field. Enter a value, something like 100% organic cotton, and click Save. Your product now contains custom structured data that you can surface on the storefront. To display it, go to Online Store, then Themes, and click Customize. In the theme editor, open the product page and choose the default product template. In the preview, select the same product you just edited so you'll see changes in real time. In the product information area, add a block such as a text block or a collapsible row, depending on your design. Click the dynamic source icon, the small database symbol, next to the content field, and select your fabric material metafield. That connects your custom data directly to the layout so it updates automatically per product. Click Save, then open your online store's product page and refresh. You should now see your metafield displayed right where you placed it. The final result is a cleaner product page with custom details, more structured information, and a professional shopping experience. Metafields are powerful because they let you add flexible, dynamic product data without needing apps or coding. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials.